What's up, everybody? Another vlog session, a little piece of brain of mine, mind of mine to be precise. And today I would like to talk about practicality over like fucking everything, I would say. And the interesting thing, I came across this speech this morning when they were talking about some people wear like less clothes, less colors than others, and most people actually either wear it because they can afford it, they have the, how to say, they have the need to show differentiation on themselves on an everyday basis. And I know people go to fucking weddings or festivals and they dress up multiple times a day, which is just insane for me. Anyways, I truly believe that this is just something like isolation, like a skin. It doesn't matter what kind of skin you have, as long as it does the job. What I mean by this, like, a skin has three roles in the human's life. One is to protect, one is to connect, and one is to... I don't know the third one. I'm not a fucking biologist. Alright, so guys, I gotta confess you, I had to cheat on this exam as well when it came to be tested, right? That's cool. Nevertheless, I'm a fan of wearing the same clothes. Like, I wash my clothes, of course, whenever it stinks. Sometimes I have to smell it. Hey, it's good enough. I can kick in with another 2 more days in that t-shirt or clothes, whatever. But I'm a fan of wearing just a couple t-shirts, owning a couple t-shirts. Why? Because I don't need to waste time every single morning. Hey, which one I should pick up? Which one I should put on? Which one suits? Which one fits with my shorts? Which one goes with the style or the season, or I don't know what the fuck is that? And I'm not interested in any of this. I just grab the first one, which is really literally closest to my reach, and then I just put that one on, and then I'm ready to go. Of course, there are a number of guys who say that, oh hey, I don't spend time on thinking of this. Yes, subconsciously you plan, because you like this one, that one suits better, this is nicer, this one suits better for this day, that one is better for that occasion, and so on. No, guys, I have I think like 4 t-shirts total, and that will enable me during summertime for 4 days. But what's up? Fuckers. They recorded me for Instagram or for contact, whatever. Guy speaking in English doing video logs. It's not so common here. Nevertheless, so guys, I'm trying to tell you this, that the more practical you are, the more time you have. You remember from another speech, 86,400 seconds a day. This is all we got for a day to work on our dreams, to move forward, to do the best we can during that day. And the less time I spend on thinking, for example, on clothing, the less time on thinking on eating, and that's gonna be another one, by the way, coming back soon with that, on feeding yourself, on giving yourself the right nutrition. The more time you will have on practical things, on more important stuff. So working on your dream, doing the training, doing the legacy, building up the future of yourself. And whatever it is, it doesn't matter what is that, whether it's useful or not, but the less time you spend on fucking staring yourself in the mirror, hey, which dress I should pick up, which colors I should match today, the more time you will have to work on your dreams. So I strongly encourage you, just fuck your t-shirts, fuck your shorts, fuck your clothes, fuck your shoes. Just get as practical as possible, especially when it comes down to clothing, because this is easy to give up on. Why the fuck you care what people think of that? Why the fuck you care what kind of color you're wearing down and up? As long as it's relatively tidy, proportionally unsmelly, then you win. Then you're sorted. So guys, I strongly encourage you, just go down with the number of clothes you own, you possess, give them away, give some charity. There are people in need who could benefit from this stuff. Give some appreciation and be more fucking practical. Guys, that was me. Have a good day. Bye.